Welcome to English with me, Frank. Today we're going to look at the verbs to be. We're going to see how we can use it in questions and the answers. So keep an eye on this space here where we're going to see the text. So the basic verb is to be. To be. The conjugation of this verb is I am, you are, he is, or she is. So let's start with a simple question. How are you? How are you? So we see the verb there, the to be verb, are. How are you? What's the answer? I am fine. I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Or if you're not fine, you can say, how are you? I'm not good. Or I'm terrible. So how are you? I'm fine. Or I'm not fine. And then you could ask about someone else. How is he? How is he? Or we can say, how is she? The answer to this question is the same. He is fine. Or she is fine. So that's the first question. Let's try another question using the verb to be. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Jamaica. I am from England. So I am from. Let's change the question. Where am I from? You are from India. You are from Japan. If you ask about a third person, he or she, where is he from? What's the other question? Where is she from? And then the answer will be, he is from America. She is from Korea. I am, you are, he is, she is. Easy. Let's do one more question with the verb to be. Are you hungry? And if you are hungry, you can say yes, I am. But if you're not hungry, you could say no, I am not, or I'm not. Am I hungry? Or am I tired? Yes, you are tired. No, you are not tired, or you're not tired. Or no, you're not happy. He is, you see, he is happy. She is tired. So remember the conjunctions. I am, you are, he or she is. Practice these expressions with other people who are learning English or who speak English. Remember the three questions? How are you? What's the next one? Where are you from? And the third one, are you happy? Or are you hungry? Practice your English and we'll come back for another episode of Learning English with Frank. Goodbye.